Dear students, welcome to this video lecture session. I am K. Karthik Vendan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government College of Engineering, Srirangam, Trichy. In this video, we are going to compare two sets. In what way we are going to compare? See, which set is larger, which set is smaller. That is not the way of comparison we are going to deal now. Whereas we are just going to deal these cases. For example, collect the Indian citizens. I am just telling you, collect the Indian citizens. Name this as set A. See, I am just writing out. Set A is Indian citizens. Okay. And I am just taking out another set. Set B is Tamil Nadu citizens. Of course, Tamil Nadu people, Indian people, like that also we can name it as. You have to interpret these two sets as a diagram. That is what we are interested in now. Okay. What will be the diagrammatical representation you will be giving out? For example, if this is the diagrammatic representation for set A. This is the diagrammatic representation for set A. So here I am just filling out all the Indian citizens. Now where will be set B? Where will be set B? It will be inside the set alone, right or not? Why? Because Tamil Nadu is located in India only. So in this case we name B is a subset of capital A. Okay, this is subset of capital A. Okay, so now I am just going to give you a definition. When you say B is a subset of A, okay, see, I am going, if all the elements, see, if all the elements of B is contained in A, that is what the definition. What will be the subset? When you say one set is subset of another set, if this set, the entire elements will be contained in this set. In that case only I can say this is a subset. Doesn't matter on the order. See, for example, I am naming A as 1, 2, B as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, infinite set also. You cannot say here A is a subset of B, right? You cannot say A is a subset of B. Why? Because subset definition is whatever elements here you are having, 1, 2, that should be present here. Then only you can say this is a subset of this, that is A is a subset of B. Here, even though the set B is bigger one, it is not necessary for a smaller set to be a subset of bigger set. Clearly understand the definition. The subset definition is all the elements must be there in the bigger one. That is what very, very important. Is it clear? Now I am just giving out another example. The definition here is very simple. A is a subset of B if all elements of A is contained in B. Okay, now only I am just terming out smaller one, bigger one. After telling you the definition of subset only, I am telling you this is smaller and this is bigger, right? So the smaller one is called as subset of the bigger one. The bigger one is called as superset of smaller one. Okay, here B is subset of A is superset of B. Is it clear? So this is what the subset definition. One more example I have given here. See, you are collecting second year ECE students studying in one particular college, that is GCE Srirangam, during the academic year 2021. Okay, this will be one collection. Okay, now I am just taking another set, collection of second year students studying in GCES during the academic year 2021. Okay, now which one is smaller? See, smaller, bigger doesn't matter. The entire set A will be in B, right? See, in set B, what I am collecting? I am collecting the entire students, second year students of a particular college. Whereas in set A, I am collecting only the second year ECE branch alone. So here the diagrammatic representation will be like this, right? Set A is only ECE students, right? Whereas set B, that is second year ECE students. Whereas set B is second year entire students I am collecting, right? Set B is second year entire students I am collecting. So here A is a subset of B. Okay. See, now I am taking the set A as Indian citizens. Okay, set A as Indian citizens and set B as Pakistan citizens. Like that I am taking Pakistan citizens. What will be the diagrammatic representation you will be giving out? See, this is set A, Indian citizens. This will be set B, right? Why? Because there is no intersection. Intersection means will there be a citizen presenting to both the countries? No, not at all. There are dual citizenship. That those cases we are not discussing it right now. As a general point of view, I am asking you. See, Indian peoples and Pakistan peoples, what will be the relationship between these two? Means there will be no one common element between these two. Okay, for example, see, if the set A is 1, 2, 3 and set B is 4, 5, 6, 7, could you see any common elements between these two? No, right? So this will be the diagrammatic representation again for set A and set B, right? So in this case, these two sets were called as disjoint sets. Okay, disjoint set means if they don't have any common elements. Okay, they won't have any common elements. See, if I am collecting one collection as this is second year ECE students and I am collecting here second year EEE students, will there be any link between these two? No, right? I am collecting second year ECE students, current second year, that is 2021. Second year ECE batch I am taking out and I am taking second year EEE students on another set. Will there be any person studying in both the branch? No, not at all, right? So these two sets are called as disjoint sets, right? See, on the third case, I am just taking set A like this. Set A is set of all people in India who speaks Tamil. Okay, who speaks Tamil. And I am taking set B. Another set I am taking. I am just taking speaks Hindi. Now, what will be the diagrammatical representation for this case. See, here the universal set. Universal set means what is the reference I am taking? Here the universal set is persons in India, right? This is what the universal set. For that, this is the diagrammatic. This is the entire people in India. I am just marking like this. This is the entire people in India. This is called universal set. Okay. Now, I am just taking a set A like this. I am just taking set A like this. In this, I am just putting out people, whoever speaks Tamil. Okay. Now I am taking out another set B, who speaks Hindi. What will be the diagrammatic representation you will be giving out? See, there are persons who speaks both Tamil and Hindi also. See, there are 4 cases. See, 4 cases are there. First point is both languages they will speak, and second one is only Tamil, third case is only Hindi, and fourth case is nothing. Nothing means a person residing in Telugu, I mean Andhra Pradesh, he does not know both Tamil as well as Hindi also, right? So this will be the case here. Now here the situation is like this. See, I am just marking this as B. See what this area represents. This area represents the set, the persons who speaks both Tamil as well as Hindi. And this area dotted lines, dotted area represents they speak only Tamil. They won't speak Hindi. Okay. This portion represents the persons who speaks only Hindi. They don't know Tamil. Then what about these things? They won't speak Tamil as well as Hindi. So now our area of interest is intersecting sets. Intersecting sets means they will have some elements in common. Okay. So we have discussed totally 3 cases. One is like this, right? Diagrammatic representation like this. One is like this, and the another one is like this, and the last one is like this, right? So in this case we say A is a subset of B. In this case we say A and B are disjoint. In this case we say A and B are intersecting. Intersecting means they will have some elements in common. Here no elements in common. One single element also will not be there in common. Whereas here the entire set A will be in B. Okay. This is what most important for comparison between 2 sets in our higher education part. Okay. Thank you, students.